Church Bell, English story number 244. We are giving the Bible verse in short so as to gain wisdom. The story of Abraham's faith in God and God's faithfulness to Abraham remains one of the most inspiring stories in the Hebrew Bible. It reminds us that God keeps every promise He makes, even when it seems there is no clear evidence of His action, even if we can't see how or when God promises will be fulfilled. It also reminds us to depend on faith, not what we can see, and to trust that God will eventually give us the answers we seek. Are you waiting for something right now? Good. Remember the anticipation of the bride-to-be. Remember that no matter how long the wait may be, God is faithful. Remember that His Holy Spirit is in you to help you keep moving forward in faith with your eyes fixed on the goal of heaven. Tell yourself that in His time and in His ways, God will come through and maybe surprise you even in the process. So, stick with the Lord. Know that His gift is something that your ending will be happy one. God, thank you for your faithfulness to me. Help me to keep living with trust in you today.